Bob, leader of the planet Rock. Now I'll take over this planet Earth. Ha 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 ha! But I'm starving. Can anyone tell me how an alien can get a bite to eat? Hey, you! Can you tell me how I can get a bite to eat? Why, sure. How do you do? My name is Annie. Here on Earth, there are tons of ways to get a decent meal. You can get food at a restaurant, but you need money for that. You can cook food at your house. Oh wait, you're traveling. I can show you how I get food. It's really easy. Okay, let's try it. So, what do we do now? We just sit here and keep our mouths open. Then the humans will drop food in our mouths. Isn't that cool? Yeah! Oh look, here comes a person. Quick, open your mouth.
Poor doggy. Here, have a steak. You too, crocodile. Here, have a donut.
Nom nom nom. See? What did I tell you? Wow, that was good. Maybe a little too good. Thanks. I guess I won't take over the Earth. Besides, now I know there are good people here like you, Annie. Aw, thanks. Are you leaving? Yeah, I need to lead my people back on the planet Rock. Bye. Another alien invasion averted.